Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to add Roman numbers in the header of Word document. So first you need to double click on the header of the Word document and then click on the insert and click on the page number. Click on the top of the page and here you can select the style of the page number. For example, if you select the circle number, then double click. And then again go to the insert and click on the page number and now click on the format page number. So in the page number format window pop up, click on this drop down arrow and select the Roman number and just simply click OK to proceed, and here you can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can add Roman number in the header of Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.